Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about a book that I found on a website that I frequent called thriftbooks.com. And I'm not sponsored, so, but I just wanted to let you know where Sean and I buy a lot of our books at. And I bought this book for $12.89. And this is like, I guess, like a cookbook. I haven't opened it yet, so I, wanted to just show you what we're adding to, to educate us more on our Prepper Essentials. Okay, now this is a 30-minute Prepper Pantry meals. It's delicious, quick, easy to make meals using canned and packaged supplies from your Prepper Pantry. So I'd like to flip through this book to see what's in it. Now I haven't started canning yet, but I am going to start doing that most likely tomorrow. Today is Saturday, August 22nd, so hopefully this hurricane does not affect us. I am praying that it does not affect us. I can't stress enough how I don't want this hurricane to affect us. But I just wanted to go through it real quick. Okay, like the first chapter, it's stock and rotation, first in, first out. Pantry supplies used in these recipes, pork in 30 minutes or less, beef in 30 minutes or less, chicken in 30 minutes or less, rice in 30 minutes or less, salads in 30 minutes or less, vegetables in 30 minutes or less, pasta, soups, gourmet breakfasts in 30 minutes or less, stir fry. Okay, well, I love stir fry. I make those all the time. So let's get to, okay, pantry supplies used in these recipes. All-purpose flour, asparagus, which they have used as canned, beans, black beans, dark red kidney beans, green beans, light red kidney beans, lima beans, pinto beans, refried beans. Broth, beef, chicken, vegetable, butter, celery salt, cheese, cottage cheese, Havarti with caraway seeds. Oh, okay. I love Havarti cheese, and I have caraway seeds in my pantry. Mexican blend cheese, Monterey, mozzarella, Parmesan, sharp cheddar, Velveeta, chicken chunk canned. Okay, well, I buy that in a can all the time, that chunk chicken. Chili powder, chili seasoning, clams. Oh, no. Coconut mill canned. Eggs, fruit, mandarin, olives, pineapple, raisins, flour tortillas, garlic, fresh powdered and salt, gelatin mix. I have gelatin mix. Orange, ginger root, black pepper, honey, Italian dressing, mayonnaise, margarine. Okay, so this is pretty much telling you what they have in their pantry. And then, pineapple pork chops. Oh my. Okay, yeah, that sounds really delicious. So a lot of people have been asking me to, cook on my channel. And I've been a little hesitant about it because, I don't know if everybody would like to see that. And I've only had maybe 2 or 3 people ask me to do that. But, if I find some really awesome recipes that from this book, then yeah, definitely. I think I will. Pork chops. I don't really buy pork chops, to be honest with you. But being as though I'm going to start canning, because Sean and I, we haven't had pork chops in, my God, I don't know how long. But the one thing we do not ever eat is red meat. But the pork chops, if I get the boneless pork chops, I bet you I can those, can I? So, like I said, I am new to all of this. I am not, educated in all aspects of prepping. I really am not, and I don't want to, play it off as if I am, so, my one thing that I really want, from my channel here is I want to learn from you so you can also learn from me, that type of thing. So, a lot of people ask me questions, and in return, I'll also ask you questions. Like a lot of people ask me, well, you got to start canning. And I'll be like, okay, well, can I can this, and this? And, I'll get a lot of yeses, and I'll get a lot of no's, and I'll get a lot of, well, I'm not really sures. So, but I also, I'm also so very interested in this. This is the one book that I saw, because I saw a lot of prepper books, which are now out of stock. I should have bought them at the time when I purchased these a week ago, and this book just now came in the mail today. But anyway, this one just caught my eye because I love to cook. So, but sausage brunch casserole, red beans, rice, and sausage. We do eat sausage. I always buy Italian sausage. So, see, ground beef, yeah, no, that's ick. Blue ribbon chili. I would do the blue ribbon chili, but only if I can use, like, have you ever had the vegetarian ground beef? It's amazing. And when you make it the right way, you would never know that you're not eating ground meat. I swear. So, see, a lot of these would be helpful for me. Beef stew in a hurry, speedy chili, Reuben casserole. I love Reubens. The one thing I miss is making my meatballs. But, I just can't do it with the red meat anymore. I really can't. Ooh, chicken quesadillas. So, once I start to really get to canning and all, I'm really, really, really going to start putting this cookbook to use. And maybe I will start making some cooking videos. And, if it all works out well and these meals are really, delicious and everything, then, I would suggest that you try and find this cookbook. Salads. I am a salad. Oh my goodness, yes. In this house, you know how, like, in everyone's family, well, this is going to sound strange. Like, in everyone's family, like, there would be, like, that one meal that mom or grandmom always made, and they're always like, yeah, you're going to eat that, going to eat that. In this house, it's like, ooh, she's making salad. It sounds really strange, I know, but hi, Penelope. Yes, I know. Mommy's talking about cooking again. I know. But yeah, we're huge salad eaters. Ooh, black bean salad. Now that sounds amazing. I have everything, I think. I have everything to make this, with the exception of pumpkin seeds. Or wait, or do I? Or do I? I don't know. I think I have to look. I think I might have. Oh my God. This is going to be good. Yeah, okay. So let's try and get, some really good cookbooks that are, really geared towards us, So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you really quick. Okay, that's all for this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. And that's all. Have a great day. Stay safe. And if you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. Bye.